Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure your phone is unlocked, charged, and you know the screen lock method. Once ready, open Settings and tap Apps, then tap the three-dot menu to show System Apps. You need to find the Google app or the Assistant entry. This is the app that binds the power button. Once located, tap the app, then tap Permissions and Notifications to proceed. This gets you to the controls that allow disabling the power button trigger. Now you focus on the actual deactivation steps. Go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, or System Apps Assist and Voice Input. You want to change the Assist app from Google to None or to a neutral app. This severs the power button shortcut. Make sure Voice Match and Hey Google are off in Google App Settings. If your phone shows a press and hold power button shortcut, switch it off or reassign it. This prevents accidental assistant launches from the power key. Finish by verifying the change. Press and hold the power button and check that Assistant no longer appears. If it still triggers, reboot the phone to apply changes, then recheck the Assist app setting. Make sure any manufacturer-specific gestures or accessibility shortcuts are disabled, since some layers override Android defaults. If problems persist, clear cache for the Google app and repeat. If that fails, temporarily disable the Google app to isolate whether the app or the system is causing the activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.